Welcome to Alpine Property Management, where we turn your property management challenges into smooth, rewarding experiences. Today, we're unraveling how you can bid farewell to property maintenance nightmares with Alpine. Our commitment is to streamline your investment portfolios, optimize your rental income, and significantly enhance operational efficiency. Say goodbye to the stress and hassle of property maintenance, and embrace the peace of mind that comes with professional, reliable management services. Alpine is not just a property management company. We are your partners in ensuring that your investments are profitable and hassle-free. We understand the unique challenges property owners face, especially when it comes to maintenance. Our proactive and preventative maintenance strategies are designed to address issues before they become costly nightmares. Regular inspections, timely repairs, and meticulous upkeep are the cornerstones of our maintenance approach. We ensure that every property in our care is in optimal condition, preventing minor issues from escalating into major problems. Our team of maintenance professionals is always ready to address any concerns and ensure your property remains in pristine condition. By entrusting your property to Alpine, you are not just avoiding maintenance headaches, you are also enhancing the longevity and value of your investment. Alpine's comprehensive maintenance solutions cover everything from routine inspections to emergency repairs, ensuring your property is well taken care of. With our 24/7 maintenance support, any issues are promptly addressed, minimizing downtime and inconvenience to tenants. Alpine is dedicated to providing solutions that are not just effective but also highly efficient. Our advanced technology and innovative practices enable us to manage properties with unparalleled precision and speed. We employ state-of-the-art property management software to monitor and manage all aspects of property maintenance seamlessly. Our online portals provide easy access to maintenance requests, status updates, and financial reports, offering transparency and convenience. With Alpine, you have the freedom to focus on growing your investments while we handle the intricacies of property maintenance. Our in-depth market knowledge and extensive experience allow us to optimize your rental pricing, ensuring maximum returns on your investment. Alpine's rigorous tenant screening process ensures that your property is occupied by responsible and reliable individuals, reducing the risk of maintenance issues caused by negligence. Beyond maintenance, Alpine is also your go-to solution for buying and selling properties. Yes, we buy houses. If you're looking to sell, Alpine is here to offer you a quick, hassle-free, and fair deal. We handle all the logistics, paperwork, and offer you the best value for your property, eliminating uncertainties and delays. Alpine's holistic approach to property management ensures that every aspect, from maintenance to tenant relations, is handled with utmost care and professionalism. We strive to create a harmonious living environment for tenants, fostering positive relationships and ensuring mutual satisfaction. Our commitment to excellence and innovation empowers us to exceed your expectations, offering you the best in property management services. Alpine is not just managing properties. We are redefining the property management experience, creating lasting value for property owners and tenants alike. Our passion for property management drives us to deliver unparalleled service, transforming your property investment journey into a rewarding experience. With Alpine, you can relax, knowing that your property is in the hands of professionals who care about your success as much as you do. Let Alpine be your partner in property management and experience the joy of hassle-free property ownership. Explore our wide range of services and discover how we can help you achieve your property investment goals by visiting alpinekansascity.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in property management insights and trends. At Alpine, every property is a priority, and every client is a valued partner. Our services are tailored to meet your unique needs and objectives, ensuring your property's potential is fully realized. Our team is comprised of experienced and dedicated professionals who are passionate about making property management a breeze for you. By choosing Alpine, you are choosing reliability, efficiency, and unparalleled expertise in property management. Our approach is proactive and solution-oriented, addressing potential issues before they become problematic. We are continuously innovating and adapting to the evolving property management landscape to offer you the most advanced and effective solutions. Our detailed and transparent financial reporting provides you with a clear picture of your investment's performance, enabling informed decision-making. We handle every aspect of property management, from tenant acquisition to maintenance, with meticulous attention to detail and commitment to excellence. With Alpine, Your properties are not just well maintained. They are optimized for success, ensuring maximum returns and minimal hassles. Our client-centric approach ensures that your experience with us is smooth, rewarding, and above all, stress-free. We understand the significance of your investment and are dedicated to protecting and enhancing its value through superior property management services. Alpine is more than a property management company. We are your partners in success, committed to transforming your property investment experience. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a first-time property owner, Alpine is here to guide, support, and elevate your property management journey. Our extensive range of services is designed to cater to every aspect of property management, allowing you to focus on what matters most to you. Alpine is redefining property management by offering solutions that are not just effective but also tailored to your specific needs and goals. Our dedication to your success is unwavering, and our commitment to excellence is what sets us apart in the property management industry. We are not just managing properties. We are building relationships, creating value, and ensuring your property investment journey is exceptional. With Alpine, say goodbye to property maintenance nightmares and embrace the future of property management. Experience the Alpine difference and discover the unparalleled benefits of professional, reliable, and innovative property management services. So, why wait? Explore the world of hassle-free property management with Alpine and let us transform your property investment experience. Visit us at alpinekansascity.com to learn more about our innovative property management solutions and how we can assist you in achieving your investment goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest insights and trends in property management. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Alpine family, where we turn property management challenges into seamless, rewarding experiences.